Hello students, in this video I am going to cover HSC English question bank solution. Part 1 I have already completed. In this I am going to give solution for section 4, that is novel section of your textbook. This question bank is given by Maharashtra board. So as your textbook has 4 section, section 1 में all prose are covered. तो मैंने prose section की जो क्वेश्चन बैंक थी उसका सॉल्यूशन ऑलरेडी डाल दिया. इफ़ यू नॉट सीन यू कैन सी. देन सेक्शन 2 इज़ पोएट्री, सेक्शन 3 इज़ राइटिंग स्किल, section 4 is drama section. So in this video I am going to give you solution for the question bank of this section, novel section. So before I start, let me tell you 4.1 जो है, this lesson is about history of novel. ये जो है 4.1 में से जो क्वेश्चन पूछा जाएगा इट विल बी 4 मार्क्स, बट बोथ क्वेश्चंस विल बी ऑफ ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप. एनी एक्टिविटी बेस्ड क्वेश्चन विल बी आस्क्ड. 2 मार्क्स का 2 एक्टिविटी क्वेश्चंस विल बी देयर. सो नो क्वेश्चन आंसर्स, no theoretical questions from this. But 4.2, 4.3, 4.4, these 3 novels have got story. इनमें से question answers पूछा जाएगा 4 marks. 4 marks for 4.1, 4 marks for 4.2, 4 marks for 4.3, 4 marks for 4.4. But only difference is 4.2, 4.3, 4.4 तीनों में से questions पूछे जाएंगे, but 4.1 में से objective type activity रहेगा. तो इन दिस वीडियो आई हैव कवर्ड एक्टिविटीज़ का जो सॉल्यूशन आई हैव गिवन 4.1 का जो है. इफ़ यू आर न्यू टू माई चैनल आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट यू टू विजिट माई चैनल फॉर मोर वीडियोज़ एंड subscribe to my channel for upcoming videos. You can reach me on this email ID for any crash course or any type of online tuition, any help. So let's start with the question bank. This is section 4, study of literary genre, that is novel section. I told you 4.1 में से you will be asked only activity based questions. Choose the correct alternate and rewrite the sentence. So whatever is the correct answer I have already selected. Students, you can read this 4.1 lesson. It is about drama, history of drama, all those novels, their writers, their type, etc. So this is actually पूरा learn करना पड़ेगा, read करना पड़ेगा अच्छे से, then only you will be able to give the answers. It is not a story, but it is basically about how novels were started and all, who all wrote which novels. तो जब भी आप 4.1 पढ़ोगे तभी आपको ये सब एक्टिविटी बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस का आंसर आएगा. नॉवल सोन बिकेम डोमिनेंट लिटरली जनरा एज इट इज़. तो इसमें चारों हैं, तो ऑल ऑफ दीज आई हैव मार्क्ड. यू कैन टेक स्क्रीन शॉट और कीप अ प्रिंट आउट रेडी विथ यू एंड वेर इन यू कैन कीप ऑन टिकिंग द आंसर्स. हियर बी केयरफुल. हाँ, इट इज़ रिटन स्ट्राइक आउट अननेसेसरी. तो ये जो सब है नेसेसरी है डिटेक्टिव फिक्शन के लिए, ये अननेसेसरी है. तो थोड़ा ध्यान देना है, नेसेसरी लिखा है कि अननेसेसरी लिखा है. बी केयरफुल, अदरवाइज यू विल लूज मार्क. देन यू हैव फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स बाय चूजिंग करेक्ट ऑल्टरनेटिव. तो आई हैव ऑलरेडी टिक द करेक्ट आंसर. आंसर इज ऑलरेडी गिवन, ओनली थिंग इज यू हैव टू टिक इट द करेक्ट आंसर्स. यू कैन टेक स्क्रीन शॉट और यू कैन राइट इट डाउन इन योर question bank, printed form, whatever it is. Again tick the correct answer. Then next question is write in chronological order. I have already written the answer. Chronological order क्या होता है कि it is randomly written, so you have to put them in correct order. So I have given the number, but in exam you are going to write A B C D, you have to write it in correct order. What is the correct order आपको रीराइट करना है, बट यहाँ पे मैंने सिर्फ नंबरिंग दिया है. आई हैव गिवन द करेक्ट ऑर्डर. Then next question is true or false. As you see, all are activity based. Fill in the blanks है, true or false है, put them in correct order है. Okay, now we have true or false. For true I have ticked and for false I have put cross mark. These are all from 4.1, remember. So if you read that 4.1 lesson, you will be able to give these answers. Then you have match the following. Again, activity based objective type question. I have directly given the answers. I have put the arrow giving which one is matching with what. You can take screenshot or you can keep the printout ready and then keep marking. Again, match the following. See, if you read the lesson properly, then only you'll remember which writer, which author, which type of novel he or she wrote. See, for this passage will not be given to you. Novel section के लिए no passage will be given to you. Again, fourth, match the following. I have given the answers. Note it down. Fifth one, match the following. Sorry. I was on fifth, sorry, by mistake I went to the next page. This is fifth. Noted. This is sixth. Match the following. Seventh, match the following. Eighth, match the following. Students, you can do one thing. You can write the answers on your own and then cross check. It will be a good practice for you. Then ninth, match the following. Then you have complete the sentence. Again, option is given to you. Only thing is you have to tick the correct answer. But in exam, I have ticked here. But in exam, you have to write the sentence again and you have to fill in the blank with the correct answer. Okay, so this is like this 4.1 में से you will be asked question, activity based question. Now 4.2 में से I told you 4 marks का questions will be asked. So now questions are given here. Students, I will tell you one thing. I have given the summary of this novel. I have given the whole story in short in my separate video. You can visit to my YouTube channel Learn with BS. There you will find all 4.2, 4.3, 4.4 का जो story है, summary of this novel I have given. So if you don't have time, you can just listen to that story and see that video. I am sure you will be able to answer these questions. Just you have to listen to the story and give the answers. In case if you have any problem, you can write in the comment box. If you cannot give any answer, I will definitely help you, because writing so many answers will be quite lengthy. So try to write answers on your own by listening to that story. I have made the things easier for you, but even then if you have any problem, you can let me know. Now 4.3 में से again 4 marks का question. ये दूसरी story है, अराउंड द वर्ल्ड इन 80 days. फिलियस फॉग का पासपर्टू का जो 80 days में पूरा वर्ल्ड कवर अप करता है, घूम के आता है, क्या क्या प्रॉब्लम्स आते हैं. आई हैव एक्सप्लेन द होल समरी. एंड इफ़ यू आर नॉट एबल टू फाइंड, I will if you are not able to find my videos, I will put the link for your ready reference. Easily you can get these novel story, summary of these novel. Then again last जो है 4.4 the sign of the 4, उसमें से 2 क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाएंगे 2 मार्क्स के, टोटल 4 मार्क्स का। तो इसका भी स्टोरी समरी मैंने दिया है, यू कैन लिसन एंड देन ट्राई टू गिव आंसर्स। This covers your 4th section. I hope this video was useful to you. Thank you for watching this video.